Alex and Commander Karim's forces have destroyed General Barkov's forward operations base, temporarily limiting Russian air capability in Urzikstan. We need to move fast. Sergeant Garrick, thanks to your intel, we tracked the Al-Qatala cell responsible for the Piccadilly attack to a townhouse in North London. 3 SAS teams will get inside and connect the dots. If the Wolf is in possession of the stolen Russian gas in Urzikstan, we need to find him. Be advised, there may be non-combatants on target. Check your shots.
Targets are up, boys. Let's kick this off. Bravo 6. Moving on the rear garden.
Bravo 6, this is Alpha 2. About to enter the west alley.
Copy. Bravo 6, moving interior.
I'll get the kettle on.
Quiet.
We're working with an ultra-nationalist group. They'll handle operations in the east after the attacks.
Trust the Wolf.
Take the front room.
But this operation failed, so why
It did
are we
not
doing this?
fail. Your dead brothers made sure.
Trouble.
Secure.
Alpha 3. Entering through the front door.
Bravo 6, moving to the first floor.
What are you doing? Shut up! Do as I said! Where do you be? Hide in the bathroom! Get the shotgun! Let it go! They're coming! Stop shooting!
Target behind the door.
X-ray down. Garrick, what are you doing?
First floor secure.
On me. Bravo 6, moving to the second floor.
Outside the door!
Three won't get up here now.
Roger, moving.
Get in there. Get those rooms cleared.
Floor secure.
Right up the stairs. Waiting on you. Bravo 6 taking the third floor.
They will kill you! I swore an oath. I will not betray the Wolf. Then let me help! I don't want to be here if you're gone! Let me go. Get here. Let me go.
Check your shots.
Hands up! Now!
Don't move!
Secure him. Suck that kid up. Secure.
Last floor. Take point, Sergeant.
Locked.
Try and take him alive.
Down! Get down! Get down!
Don't shoot! Don't shoot, please! They were going to kill
Don't
me!
move!
They
Stop!
locked me in here!
Drop her.
Clear.
All teams, townhouse secure. Commence SSE.
Oh, fucking hell. She was going for a bloody detonator.
Good job we dropped it in.
We made the right call, sir.
We'll bet your ass. We've got a location on the wolf.